Founded in 1975, Microsoft is the world's largest software company to date. Microsoft continues to develop and innovate. Microsoft 365 is one of those results. Today, I will make a comparison with Office 2019 and tell you the advantages of Microsoft 365. There's no better place to do that than in a building that originated as a poster board for technological progress, right? Office 2019 is a one-time purchase of the well-known Office apps, such as Word, Excel, and Outlook, which can be installed on one computer. You get security updates with this purchase, but no new features or tools. If you want to upgrade to a newer version, you have to buy a new package. Microsoft 365 is a subscription service that is continuously updated by Microsoft. It consists of Windows 10, the operating system with which your computer works, and the well-known Office 365 apps, such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and Teams. And everything is structurally secured, especially because Windows and the Office apps from the entire Microsoft 365 package work together best technologically. You get online storage space and features in the cloud that let you collaborate on files in real time. If you log in with your Microsoft account, you can access your own files, emails, and the applications because they go in the cloud and on all your devices. There are Microsoft 365 plans for every situation. The differences lie in the number of users and the amount of applications. Microsoft 365 is supported by the Windows, Android, Mac OS, and iOS operating systems. The Office apps are also available on your devices, so you can work from your mobile or tablet. The apps are free to install on your phone. Just remember that you have more functions with the desktop apps or online. With a Microsoft 365 subscription, you have Windows 10 and most of the apps at your disposal. Plus, you always benefit from the latest functions, solutions, and security updates. Do you already work with Microsoft 365? Let us know. Good luck!